Keeping a school running smoothly requires a lot of time, effort, and resources. No one knows this better than Erica, a principal who is always on the lookout for cost-effective tools that can help her save time and headaches. She's also required to meet regulations, like Alyssa's law, to provide a safe learning environment for her students and staff. That's what led her to Informacast, which her school can utilize to enhance school safety and help with daily operations. Before the school year begins, Erica meets with Robert in IT to set up an automated school bell schedule for the entire year. He also configures virtual panic buttons on phones located throughout the school. Then they connect with Stanley, who is in charge of school security. Together they outline the type of emergency events they need to prepare for, the devices that they'll use to trigger and share notifications, and the messaging they'll include in the alerts.
Code red, evacuate.
Using both text and audio, they've created an intrusive system for alerting students and staff about critical events. As the school year begins, teachers and staff are encouraged to download the Informacast mobile app, which includes a panic button they can activate from anywhere should they need assistance. Throughout the school year, Agnes, the school administrator, shares school-wide announcements using Informacast paging capabilities and monitors for automated alerts that may impact school operations. The moment an alert is triggered, Erica, Stanley, and the rest of the school's safety team use Informacast's critical event management tools to access the resources they need to handle an event from start to finish. That includes the initial alerts, follow-up messages, safety checklists, floor plans, and other safety assets, all of which are available directly in Informacast, providing Erica and her colleagues with a single solution for all of their safety and communication needs.